Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The final details of the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series have been unpacked. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy S25 full specs revealed again, new detail changes from the S24 series. The Galaxy S24 series, except this time, has the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for all markets. There are a few more upgrades coming to the Galaxy S25 series, but one could argue that these should have been done years ago. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, will be equipped with a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, the 200 megapixels main camera, 50 megapixels 5x periscope, and 10 megapixels 3x cameras will be essentially unchanged. The same goes for the 12 megapixels selfie camera. The tech insiders claimed that the new ultra-wide camera will be 4 times better improved than the old one. Also, the Galaxy S25 series will leverage AI to improve the image quality, with color and brightness improving by 43%. It will be interesting to hear how Samsung arrived at this number. The Galaxy S25 series will get support for log video recording, which helps preserve more dynamic range. Also, the tipster claims that Samsung has made switching between lenses less janky. A new audio eraser feature will be available to remove noises from your videos. The S25 Ultra will stick with 12 GB of RAM, at least for the European market, and will come with a choice of 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB of storage. The battery will be the same with 5000 mAh capacity and 45 watts fast charging. The speed of the wireless charging is unknown, but we don't expect a major upgrade too. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus isn't getting any upgrades, besides the chipset. It will have 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of storage, a flat 6.7 inches QHD Plus screen, and a 4900 mAh battery with 45 watts charging speed. The Samsung Galaxy S25 basic model will receive 6.2 inches display, 1080p plus resolution, instead of going up to QHD plus. One crucial change is that the small model will have 12 GB of RAM, instead of 8 GB, but the base storage is said to remain the same at 128 GB. There will be 256 GB and 512 GB options. The battery is the same too, 4000 mAh with 25 watts wired charging. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will use the same hardware as last year, 50 megapixels main, 10 megapixels 3x telephoto, and 12 megapixels ultra-wide. This means a lot is riding on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite ISP, and the new AI features to make a difference in image quality. The new Galaxy S25 series will launch on January 22nd. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.